We begin by assembling the mold box and clamping the acrylic sheets together. We then put clay in the bottom of the box and embed the 3D printed foot shell. Once the clay is in, it's good to smooth out the top so you have a clean surface between the top and bottom layer. We then put little keys in the clay so that the pieces can be aligned correctly. Spray it with some mold release so the urethane rubber doesn't stick and really get inside the cavity of the foot shell. We then mix together our two urethane parts. You want to make sure to stir carefully to prevent air bubbles from forming. You can then pour the mixture into the mold box, and you have your first layer. After 16 hours, you can come back to flip the mold box over and start the second layer. You begin by removing the clay that was in there, and be careful around the 3D model to prevent it from breaking. Once the mold box is reassembled, you can start to mix the second layer of urethane rubber. Remember to stir carefully to prevent air bubbles from forming in the mixture. Spray the box again with mold release so the layers don't stick, and pour the urethane mixture into the mold box. After 16 hours, you can remove the sides of the acrylic, and then you can separate the two layers. Make sure to be careful around the 3D printed model so you don't break the mold you just made. And there you have it.